devoted a little bit of time to work on this, and it wasn't hard at all. It took me only like 5 minutes. 4 bolts, since these are like Mikuni manifolds, this is like a two-piece. So since this side's the only one, the problem is easy to take it off. But they didn't use a gasket. They actually used RTV, and it works. I mean, it's lasted me, I don't know, I've had this motor for over 20 years. And I've got about, I don't know, maybe almost 20,000 miles around there on it. And you can see right here that's where there was a vacuum leak over there, and so I just cleaned it up and cleaned up the other side of the manifold. Should be ready to go. Right now I'm just debating whether to use RTV again or just try to get a gasket and get it back on there. So we'll see what I decide to do.